roundabout, take the first exit to Cheshire Way.
We're here. Okay, we will find somewhere to park our car and to the nearest. Yes. Okay. No. Super drive. Yes. Happy Valentine's for me. Happy Valentine's. Eggs. Cadbury. Happy Valentine's to me, Toblerone. Cadbury, tapos may Toblerone. Wah, ang ganda. Mr. Churro. Prokok. Body shop. Valentine's sale. Start with your Valentine's Day. Love your body. Wow, that's it. Oh, ang ganda oh. Puro heart. Hallmark. Oh, daming puso. Daming puso. Ayun, that's my favorite. Yan, paborito ko oh. Favorite ko. Mamaya. Denby 1809. Ako, tagal na pala yan. Ay, look at this. This is only 20 pounds. Special offer. 30 pounds. Special offer. You're looking for a backpack. Hala. Ito yun. Para tumangkad ako. Yan, tumangkad ako ng extra 1 inch. £66 yan. Naku, 70 pounds pa ito. Kung kayo, if I will ask you, are you going to buy this for 70 pounds? And this one is 45 pounds. If you will be the one to buy, are you going to buy this? And this one is 59 pounds. So this Adidas. And this is the one. This is a unisex. Unisex, 59 pounds. Previous is 110 pounds. This is a 46% off. And it's only for 59 pounds. Are you going to buy if you will have a money? Even if you don't have a money, you can use a credit card. You want to buy this kind of shoes? This one is 19 pounds. A very cute shoes. 19 pounds. 28 pounds. 16 pounds. 26 pounds. Wala akong nabili. 30% off. $30% off. Full footwear when you spend 70 pounds or more. Ay, nice din pala siya. Tingnan nyo. It's nice. That 59 pounds. It's for running. So, next stop, Oakley. Oakley brand. Price for a jacket is 186 pounds. Jumper, 33 pounds for just this one, and with the I don't know, no price. Sa Oakley. Sa mga rider na to. Shade, that's a light, but it's purple. Oh, this is, ito yung sa akin na nabali. Yan, nabali. Oh, Oakley helmet. Helmet is 160 pounds. 28? Ayun, 50% off. 50% off, how much? Ito yung hindi sale. 128 ang hindi sale. $110. Ako. 128 pounds. Where's that orange? I like this orange. I like this. Di ba, bagay? Bagay sa akin, di ba? I like this. Kasi my favorite color is orange. Okay, this is for me. Si Mr. Anong pinipili niya? Gray. Di pa bagay sa akin, guys. Tapos, suot ko to. Libre naman siguro ata ang suot dito. Siguro naman libre ang suot. Hindi naman siguro babayaran yung suot. Oo. Yan, bagay ba? Libre naman ang magsuot. Try lang, di ba? Oh, this is worth 50 pounds. Kasi it's a 50% discount. 109 ang normal price, but now it will be 50 pounds plus. Do you think I will going to buy this? I don't know yet. Oakley. Ah. Okay. I will buy this. So this is 34 pounds. Hala. $38. The bag. Yan. Ano na yung aking sombrero. £40. So I have my sombrero. Thank you. Yay, I've got my sombrero. I've got my cup. Thank you, Daddy. Get a second wind. Ayan pala ang sinusuot. Akala ko helmet. Daddy, akala ko helmet yun sa sa pag-ride, sa motorbike. Para pala dyan. Yun, gamit na helmet to. Akala ko sa pag riding. Yan o, bit-bit na ni Daddy. For a dog's life lang yan ha. Akala nyo, may damit ang dogs oh. Ay, ang ganda doon sa rituals oh. Ganda ng rituals.